and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2022. Yes, we are finally in the new year, and I just wanted to come here in person and wish each and every one of you a happy new year. Now, I also wanted to thank you all for supporting me. And I don't take any of this for granted. I truly appreciate all of you. Because of you guys, I am motivated to come here and bring you all my amazing recipes. Now that we've got that out of the way, in today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for Southern style black-eyed peas. Now, if you have watched my last video, you would have seen that I made my own Guyanese traditional black-eyed peas cook-up rice, because in Guyana on New Year's Eve, we usually would make cook-up rice. That's our tradition. My husband's tradition, at New Year's Day, they would usually make black-eyed peas. And today I will be sharing my recipe with you guys. We like to merge our two cultures together so that everyone is happy in our home. And I hope you all enjoy. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Now let's jump right in. Now let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. This is going to be a very simple recipe, but it's absolutely delicious. Here I have my black-eyed peas already washed and soaked overnight, and I'll be using a smoked turkey leg. I also have some chicken broth, onions, celery stalks. I have bell peppers, minced garlic, some thyme. I'll be using some paprika, seasoned salt, brown sugar, chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, and some mushroom seasoning. So what I like to do is add my turkey leg and the chicken broth to my Instant Pot, and I like to pressure it for about 15 to 20 minutes just to loosen the meat from the turkey. Then what I do is shred it into, small pieces and separate the bone from the meat, and I use the meat for my black-eyed peas. This also gives the chicken broth added flavor from the turkey leg because it was cooked for a little while in there. We want to save the broth for our black-eyed peas as well. In a preheated pot, I did add some chicken grease, and now I will add some butter, allowing it to melt. Now the chicken grease gives the black-eyed peas extra flavor, but if you don't have chicken grease, you can use regular oil. Next, we'll add our onions, celery stalks, our bell peppers, and garlic, and we'll allow them to go for about, let's say, 3 to 4 minutes. We just want them to break down a bit and release all of those flavors. Next, we'll add our turkey meat here, and we'll give it a good mix. We'll allow it to go for about 2 minutes to absorb all those flavors and aromatics before adding the rest of our ingredients. So at this point, we will now add our black-eyed peas, and because we soaked the peas overnight, the cooking time will be less. It will not take as long to cook as if you were to just add the peas dry just like that into the pot, right? And that's the reason why I cooked the turkey leg a little bit before adding it, because I know that the peas don't need a lot of cooking, and we don't want to be boiling the leg, for that to get soft and your peas becomes overcooked. So that's one of the reasons why I cooked the turkey leg ahead of time. And now, once we've added our chicken broth, we will add the seasonings just to add a bit more flavor and taste to the dish. But you will be tempted to add like more, salt or whatever here. And my advice is don't do it, because once this cooks down, those flavors will become even more enhanced, and you will find it will be too much salt. So you want to wait until the end, and once this cooks down and you feel like you need more, then you add more. But this is just perfect for right now. We will cover this and allow it to cook for about 1 hour, and then we'll check on it. So after about 1 hour, this is how our black eyed peas is looking. For me, I still think it needs a bit more cooking. I need the liquid to evaporate some more so it can thicken up. And I will let it go for about 30 more minutes and then we'll be all done. And after about 1 hour and 30 minutes, the black eyed peas is now perfect. Now you don't want all of your liquid to totally evaporate. You want to leave a bit of gravy and sauce in there because once this cools down, that sauce will thicken even more. And you don't want a dry black eyed peas, you know. So we will now, just turn the heat off and we'll get ready to plate up. So I did plate my black eyed peas up with some plain white rice and it was absolutely delicious. This can be paired with a number of different things. Some people, have it with cornbread, mashed potatoes. You can do whatever you like and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a happy new year and enjoy!